Tidy Mind Doodles are a series of doodle videos exploring well-being tips for a more content life. I hope you enjoy. Screen time activities can be fun. They teach us about our world and bring us closer together. But too much screen time can make us feel low, stressed and disconnected from others. Taking breaks and reducing our screen time recharges our batteries, lifts our mood and helps us to work and study better. The first step is to write in our diary when and how much screen time is in our week. That way we can see what we need to change. Understanding our old habits will help us to swap to healthier ones. Now we need to think about some fun screen-free activities to do. A mind map can be really helpful. Ask your friends and family for ideas too. Here are some more screen-free activities. Remember that everyone is different, so pick something that you're going to enjoy. Now make a 5 or 10 minute goal from your choice of activities. For example, read a book for 5 minutes before bed. Short time goals like this make it much more likely that you'll stick to these new habits. Now look at your diary. Where can you fit in some screen-free breaks? Where can you swap some screen time for a screen-free activity? Writing it down will remind you when to take a break, and you might want to set a reminder so that you don't forget. So what can you take from today's video? Well, number 1, remember to plan in screen-free activities to keep track of your breaks and make sure that you are disconnecting from screen time. Number 2, if you are a parent or a teacher, be mindful of your own screen time. Plan in some screen-free activities yourself so that students and children can watch and follow your example. And number 3, check in with your friends, family and colleagues. Encourage a conversation around what they do outside of screen time and how they're getting on with their screen-free activities over the week. Thank you for watching. For more Tidy Mind Doodles about self-care and mental well-being, press subscribe or follow at Tidy Mind Doodles on Facebook or Instagram. Thank you.